Hello, it's Daddijay once again, and I am back for another dish. Ang lulutuin natin for today is sopas. And I'm going to start with the onion. Mag-saute tayo. Ito, lagyan natin ang ating garlic. Lagyan natin ang ating chicken. Lagyan natin ito ng salt. May lasa. Lagyan natin ng pepper. Haluin natin. Habang ginigisa natin to guys, hayaan natin maluto for a few minutes and then mag-slice tayo ng ating ingredients. I'm going to cut the cheese. Maglalagay tayo ng half bar ng cheese. Pwede kayong maglagay ng Nestle cream if you like, or all-purpose cream. Or all-purpose cream. Tama ba? So, for this time, I'm going to use cheese instead of that. Yan, hatiin lang natin. By the way, I am going to cook 400 grams of macaroni or elbow noodles. Let's cut this. And then, sasabay natin ito pag-saute ng chicken para medyo mag-brown siya ng konti. Napakabilis lang ang pagluto ng sopas. Pwedeng pang merienda, pwedeng pang breakfast. Kung meron kayong mga gathering with your families, pwede ang sopas. Another way to make this special, pwede nyo lagyan ito ng kernel corn. Corn kernel, in other words. 1 chicken cube para mas malasa ang ating broth. Ang ating sauce ng sopas. There we go. Maybe some of you guys will be surprised because I am going to add liver spread. Try this guys at home. Lagyan niyo ng liver spread ang inyong sopas. Ang sarap ng sabaw. Para lang kayo naglagay ng fresh na liver, ito yung kapalit niya. Pero optional, once again, pwede yung hindi lagyan. For mga 3 minutes, and then balikan natin. Ilagay na rin natin ang ating cheese. Nahulog ng isa. Ilagay natin. Hayaan natin na ma-dissolve yung ating keso. Luto ng ating chicken. It's about time to put some water. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Let's start from 1 liter. Hayaan natin to guys na mag-boil and then ilalagay natin ang ating macaroni or ang ating elbow. I'm going to use Del Monte, 400 grams. Our broth is boiling. Lagay na natin ang ating macaroni. natin. Pakuluin natin ito guys. And then, lalagay natin ang ating milk, ang ating butter. And then, we will add more salt or patis. And then, pepper to this. Pwede natin. There you go, we are back. Pinakuluan natin guys for 20 minutes ang ating macaroni. As you can see guys, wala pang ating milk pero thick na ang ating sabaw. Look. Lagay na natin ang ating gatas. There you go. Let's slice a portion of butter. You can also put margarine, but for tonight, I'm going to put butter. What else? I'm going to add salt, pepper, and then patis para mas masarap. I'll put 2 tablespoons of patis. Some more pepper. Haluin natin. By the way guys, yung ibang mga nagluluto ng sopas, naglalagay sila ng veggies. They put carrots, they put cabbage. For me, simple lang ang gusto kong sopas. Okay na to. Masarap na to. As you can see, ang daming pepper. Gusto ko medyo spicy. There you go. Tapos na. Tikman na natin ang ating sopas. Some more. Perfect na siya. Hindi ko na kailangan dagdagan pa na kung ano pa yung edad natin kanina. Best na siya. Wow! I am almost done with my creamy chicken sopas. Patayin na natin yung apoy. Salin na rin natin. Pag nagluluto tayo ng sopas, magda-dry up pa ito. So, dapat medyo may additional sabaw ka kasi mag-expand pa yung ating noodles or ang ating macaroni. There you go. There you go. We are done. Ang napakasarap na chicken sopas. Ang napakasarap na creamy chicken sopas. Guys, comment drop by and I'm going to cook for you this delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Daddijay and Dad's cooking for you. Bye!